Hi everyone, so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can actually utilize retargeting marketing strategy for your Facebook ads, or we also say remarketing strategy, right? So anyway, I'm gonna walk you through how you can actually utilize your retargeting strategy, and also specifically the copywriting and creative, and also the meaning of retargeting. Yeah, first and foremost. So maybe you wonder, what is retargeting? What is that? So basically that means you can actually retarget those people who actually viewed your videos or who actually visited your website or your followers or even your email list or even lead form. Yeah, there are so many different ways here. But for website, if you haven't actually installed your pixel into your website, you cannot retarget those people at all. So this is really tons of myths, right? By the way, I already filmed my videos where I'm talking about how you can actually successfully install your pixel into your website so that you can not only track your audiences through your website but also you can retarget those people with your ad budget. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and then hit the notification button so that you don't miss anything. So there are so many ways that you can create the custom audience and lookalike audiences through your sources or meta sources. Then how we can actually create the retargeting copy? Watch the difference. So there are two different ways. The first one, direct way, and the second one, indirect way for sure. I've got a simple example for you so that you can understand really quickly. So this is an example that you can actually think about what is the direct way to target people. Hey, you left something behind in the car. This is obvious, like you are retargeting those people who haven't purchased anything in your website. So this is direct version. Or you can actually utilize call out method like hey or what, you didn't purchase, like something like that. And then indirect way, you don't have to actually mention those kind of like specific ones. Rather, you can actually discount more than that, or you can actually create more advanced creatives so that you can attract those people once again. It doesn't have to be really complicated. Then what is retargeting creative? So simply put, there are two different ways. Once again, direct way, indirect way. So you can actually just write down some really direct way in your copywriting, but you can actually put some pattern interrupt creative so that you can actually capture those audiences' attention. And then number two, they will actually check out what this is about. They will read your caption, primary text, right? So you've got to actually think about how people usually see your whole advertisement. So mostly it will be about, like, first of all, the creative, and then second of all, your primary text, and then thirdly, your CTA, like headline part. So for the creative part, it doesn't have to be really complicated. You can actually use some stock images or your portrait or videos and any other things. All you need to do is just you need to analyze and then optimize time to time your advertisement. Number four, this is so important, retargeting strategy. For example, I actually broke down into two different criteria so that you can understand how you can actually target your ideal clients or customers effectively. So think about this. You have money like at least $3,000 per month or $4,000 per month. And then if you have a patience to wait for the result, we can actually simply start video views campaign so that we can actually gather those data, and then we can target those people with our lead magnet. It will be after a few months. And then once we have those data from number step 1 and number step 2, finally you can sell something to those audience. This is how you can do if you have a money and patience, because it takes time. By the way, this methodology is from Rachel Peterson, which is my business mentor. And then number 2, if you have a money, just like at least $3,000 per month or $4,000 per month, but you don't have patience, then these 3-tier strategies is not really ideal for you. So my methodology is for this kind of like situation is to just utilize traffic objectives or lead generation objectives with freebies or lead magnets. It could be different based on what your industry is, but with this strategy, just by utilizing traffic objectives or lead generation objectives, we were able to cut down a lot of CACs and also increase conversion rates a lot, from like 7% to 37%. And then number 3, if you don't have a money and then you have a patience, you can also utilize the 3-tier strategies that I mentioned in the first section, okay? And then number 4, if you don't have a money, if you don't have a patience, then you can either actually just run by utilizing your small money, like $5 a day or $10 a day, and then build your like audience or followers. You could actually do also lead generation objectives if you have a more than $10 a day, or you can just simply just test those experiments by just analyzing data and then creating your data. So it depends on your situation, but mostly if you want to run advertising, you need to prepare the proper ad budget to succeed your efforts, to be honest. Otherwise, I recommend you just doing some more organic strategies first so that you can know what content usually works well and then what content doesn't work. By the way, if this content was helpful for you, please like this video and then subscribe to my channel. Or if you need my Facebook advertising help, check out the description box below and then apply for working with me and my team. Bye for now.